How to delete Roblox account permanently. So if you want to delete your Roblox account permanently, then you have to follow the steps. First, you have to open up a browser, any browser that you're comfortable with. And on the search bar, you have to search for Roblox support. And after searching, you can click on the first search which says support. And now you have to enter your username and your first name, but these are optional. And here you have to enter your email address, and after entering your email address, on the next one you have to again enter your email address to confirm it. And after that, here you will have issue details. So under the issue details, you have to select PC and then type of help category. You can simply click on that, and then you have to choose data privacy request. But if you don't have this option on your PC or laptop, then you can go to technical support, and here you have to select other privacy concerns. And now you have to describe about your issue, and after writing your issue, you have to simply click on submit. Now you have requested to delete your account, so it will take some time. Please check your email for a message from customer service. So now you will receive a message from the customer service of Roblox, and then after some verifications, your account will be deleted. So that's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.